Hi Year 7 and welcome to our assembly.
Today we're going to talk about simple steps to a balanced digital diet and better well-being.
Are you getting your 5 a day? Be mindful, connect, be active, get creative and give to others. These are your digital 5 a day.
Finding the right digital balance means enjoying all the fun, exciting and creative things about being online while making sure that we aren't caught doing the same things all the time.
So the first one, connect. Make a call to a friend or a family member, but always get parental consent first, guys. Remember that it's important to stay connected, but also offline too. Often it is helpful to speak to someone that you trust in person when you feel under pressure or worried about things.
Be active. Take some time off and get active. Movement helps boost emotional well-being. You don't have to be an athlete or a football star to be active. Find the thing you enjoy the most. It could be swimming, walking, dancing, yoga, and start at a level that works for you. Do it regularly and you'll soon level up.
There you go. Get creative. Don't just browse the internet, guys, but use digital tools to create content, to build new skills, and to discover new passions, things that you're interested in. Whatever you love, you can find out how to do it online. But why not take it offline too? Use your skills to make that cake, fix that bike, or learn that dance.
Give to others. Be positive online. Report bad content and help others balance their own 5 a day. You could do this by posting positive messages or by taking time to listen to your friends and family. Sometimes putting your phone down, spending time with them offline is really a good way to give to others too.
And lastly, be mindful. Being mindful means paying attention to how something makes us feel. If keeping up with notifications is making you feel stressed, if you're anxious about getting enough likes or, being online makes you feel tired maybe, recognize these feelings and take a break, guys. Learn what worries you. Speak to people you can trust and ask for help when you feel that you need it. Managing your digital well-being is not something that you should do alone.
Staying safe. The most important ingredient in well-being is staying safe. To make sure that you can get the best from your digital diet, you must know how to stay safe online.
So staying safe. Do you trust the site or the app that you're using? Is it the best place for you and people your age to be? Do you know the people you are connected with? Do you know how to manage who can see your posts and who can contact you? Do you know how to switch off your notifications, your locations, and your camera? Do you know how to block people and to report worries or concerns? If you have any questions at all about staying safe or you want any help, please speak with an adult that you can trust or a member of staff at school. Year 7, we are here for you, to support you, and to help you ultimately to keep safe and to stay safe and to continue to be the best that you can be. So for now, from Miss McDermott and myself, take care.